Hey yeah! Today I'm doing a bright orange look with ColourPop's Orange You Glad palette. On a Morphe fluffy blending brush, I'm going to start with Sunkiss'd in my crease and blend up towards my brow. And I'll repeat on the other side. And again with the fluffy blending brush, I'm going to use the shade Rise and Grind in my crease, and I'm going to make sure not to bring it up too far or too low. I want it just in the crease. And then with a regular eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use the shade Mimosa Mami and pack it in all over the lid. I'm going to go back in with the shade Rise and Grind on a firm, flat liner brush across the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go over top of it with my fluffy blending brush and lightly blend it out. And there you have a well-blended, fun, bright orange look.